Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about bearings, one of the most important machine elements used in almost every rotating machine. In this tutorial, we will cover the first topic is, what is a bearing? The second topic is, function of a bearing. The third topic is, main parts of a bearing. So, let's get started. Next, we will learn and understand what is a bearing. Bearings are one of the most commonly used machine parts because their rolling motion make almost all movements easier, and they help reduce friction. A bearing is a machine element that supports a rotating or moving shaft while reducing friction between moving parts. Bearings improve efficiency, reduce wear, support loads, and increase the life of machinery. Next, we will learn and understand the function of a bearing. A bearing is used to its reduce friction between moving parts. Its support radial and or axial loads. Its maintain proper shaft alignment. Its reduce wear and energy consumption. Its increase machine reliability and service life. Its enable smooth rotation or linear motion. Next, we will learn and understand the main parts of a bearing. A typical bearing consists of the following main components. The first main components, inner ring. The next main components, outer ring. The next main components, rolling elements. The next main components, cage, or retainer. The next main components, seals, or shields. Let's understand each part one by one. Next, we will learn and understand the main parts of a bearing. The first component is the inner ring. It is mounted on the shaft. It rotates together with the shaft. It provides the inner raceway for the rolling elements. The raceway is precision ground and hardened to support loads and reduce friction. It is usually made from high purity chrome alloy steel for high strength, wear resistance, and long service life. Next, we will learn and understand the main parts of a bearing. The second main parts of the bearings is outer ring. It is mounted inside the housing. It usually remains stationary. It provides the outer raceway for the rolling elements. It transfers the load from the rolling elements to the housing. It is also made from hardened chrome alloy steel for excellent durability and wear resistance. Next, we will learn and understand the main parts of a bearing. The third component is the rolling elements. Next, rolling elements can be balls, can be cylindrical rollers, can be tapered rollers, can be spherical rollers, can be needle rollers. Next, rolling elements functions are its roll between the inner and outer raceways. It converts sliding friction into rolling friction. To reduce friction, improve efficiency, and minimize wear. They are commonly made from hardened chrome alloy steel, while ceramic or plastic rolling elements are used for special applications. Next, we will learn and understand the main parts of a bearing. The fourth component is the cage, also called the retainer. It keeps the rolling elements evenly spaced. The cage ensures smooth operation, reduces friction between rolling elements, and improves bearing performance at high speeds. It guides the rolling elements and prevents them from contacting each other. It's made from steel, brass, plastic. Next, we will learn and understand the main parts of a bearing. The fifth component is the seal or shield. Its functions are: it's protect the bearing from dust, dirt, and moisture. It's retain the lubricant inside the bearing. It's increase bearing life and reduce maintenance. Next, understand about the seal. It's providing better protection against contaminants but has slightly higher friction. Next, understand about the shield. It offers basic protection with lower friction and is suitable for high-speed applications. It's made from rubber, metal. The conclusion and quick summary of the tutorial. Let's quickly summarize what we learned today. We covered what a bearing is, the functions of a bearing, the 5 main bearing components: inner ring, outer ring, rolling elements, cage or retainer, seals or shields. Understanding these basic components will help you better understand how bearings operate and why they are essential in almost every machine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to MBS Engineering for more engineering tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.